Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram login error. If you are using Instagram and you are having any error or issue in login, so let's see how can you easily fix that error. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you are connected to internet via your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have done, you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings, go for general, and go for VPN and device management. You have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And then you have to retry to log in, or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your app store, and here go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your Instagram app, or if you find any update here, you have to try to update your app, and once you have updated it will almost fix your issue. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to double check your username or password, or your email, phone number, or your passwords for the login. So once you have checked or if they are correct but you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, and here go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you have to search for Instagram, and here you have to try to offload your app, because sometimes it might be that your Instagram app includes some bugs. So in this way you can easily fix that bugs. So you have to tap on this offload app, then tap on offload app option again. Once you have done, your app will be offloaded, so you have to tap on this reinstall option, and then app will be completely reinstalled on your phone. So if there any bug in your Instagram apps, it will fix in this step. And once you have reinstalled, you can easily log in with your account. So in this way you can easily fix Instagram login error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.